Hi everyone, today I will show you to chicken masala fry. I will show you to today everyone how to cooking this one recipe. Please subscribe my channel and share everyone video. Nazareth share my channel name. Today first time I start to cooking recipe. This only 5 minute only cooking this one. Very easy to fast cooking. Anyone coming they have a visitor very fast 5-10 minutes is enough cooking. Gram chicken I washing and make it dry chicken this one. Fry pan, I take fry pan, then I put oil, just 4 spoon oil, you can see this one. Make it hot oil. After you take this one, you can see I will show you to this one. You see I don't know English this one. After coming very hot oil, you can put this one. Then this one also. You can see. I put all total this one now. See. Then I put leaves also, make it tasty. This one same like garam masala. After coming to hot that one, then after I need to put onion now. I put onion now. I put onion already. Make it fry this one. You can see now. So make it nice little bit brown color. Little bit fry also very speed. I make it brown. If you can make it less onion, I put today so much onion because I don't want to wasting onion. Then after you put curry leaves also, but I have no half curry leaves here. Then now I need to mixing paste ginger garlic. You can see now because I am not half paste. I make it ready to paste this one. I put onion, garlic and ginger paste this one. It's need to very nice to mixing because of going to smell also garlic and ginger. I mix it one chili, just little bit. I want spicy. If you don't want spicy, no need. Less, just need to flavor only. I mix only one chili only. Until you coming to more little bit of brown color, going to that one garlic and onion smell. Now going smell, I will add it a little bit yellow powder. This one ground turmeric powder. Just going to more smell. This is very good that one. Then again I mixing. Next now I added tomato. See, I added now tomato. Just I put one tomato added. You need to properly to mix this one. Tomato need to fry proper this one. Coming to full gravy. Still not enough. Tomato coming to soft now. Until your tomato soft, you need to full mixing this one, frying. Then now I put now chicken already. My tomato already melted. I will put chicken now. should be need to full dry chicken. If you know has still have wet water, you need to take time coming to dry chicken. Should be need to full dry. Need to just a little bit fast fryer. You need to fry this chicken because coming to take all masala. It should be until water going, the chicken coming out that water. You need to make it mixing properly. I need to add it now salt. 1 tablespoon salt. Then need to very nice to mixing until coming to out water. Should be chicken should be need to dry chicken. Means no have water is okay. It's good fast frying chicken. Need to your fryer also so fast. So good. I will cover off because need to 5 minutes boiling the chicken coming to dry. Then after I put the masala next. I will open now. You see coming to water outside now. Now need to come in little bit mix. You see. Now I added coriander powder. You see coriander powder. I mix coriander powder. Then little bit of cumin powder also. Then how much you want to spicy depend to chilli powder. Then if you don't have chicken masala, you can put glow powder. You see this one. You can put this one. I put now this one powder. See? Then after you need to mixing. Then after you need to mixing like this. After need to nice fry that the masala all everything just 5 minutes. Then I need to put a little water and put on the cover 5 minutes boiling nicely. Little bit. Like this. Then now I need to cover for this one. 5 minutes boiling, coming out oily all. After 5 minutes I will open the one now. Finish already cooking. You see coming oil outside. Then I will add it now black pepper. So yummy that one. Finish already cooking. I put mixing, but I need to put coriander leaves. It's very yummy that one. This one chicken fry masala. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and share. It's very yummy that one, tasty.